Hello and welcome back to the Prototype Cafe. My name is Ernesto and in this video I will cover tips on electronics. Most tips from my previous video are also applicable to electronics, so watching my previous video will be useful as well. Just one type of electrical component can have different shapes and sizes. For example, a resistor can look like a small tube with two wires on both ends, or it can look like a very small rectangle. Even though it looks completely different, its function is still the same. Seeing electrical components connected to a breadboard or a PVC board may seem overwhelming, but rest assured it is no different from connecting something like your phone to your charger. Breadboards and PVC boards use small metals that act like tiny wires in order to compress all the components in a smaller package. Once you start playing with the breadboards, eventually everything will start making sense. Everyone has different budgets. Depending on where you buy your electronic components will determine how many components you can purchase. For example, by purchasing from a local online store, your package will arrive in a few days, but it is expensive compared to purchasing from an international online store because you get the same component at a much cheaper price. The only problem is that it can take a few weeks for your package to arrive. Microcontrollers and single-board computers are a great way for beginners to learn how electronics and coding work together to complete a task. A popular microcontroller is an Arduino and a popular single-board computer is a Raspberry Pi. There are many projects online that you can copy to learn as you go, but don't expect them to always work. I purchased many microcontrollers for a class I was going to teach. I modified a code for the task I needed it to complete, and it worked. I copied the code to multiple microcontrollers and found out last minute that it didn't work. I had to come up with a new plan last minute. The class didn't turn out as well as I hoped, but it led me towards a great idea for my next class. I was amazed by how quickly the kids were completing many projects in one class with no prior knowledge in electronics. My next video will demonstrate my idea and show you how it can help you learn electronics at a fast pace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.